Hi, I'm Kellie Colleen. Welcome to my art class. Let's get creating. I decided to start this channel because a lot of us, including myself, have been trapped at home due to COVID-19, and I would typically be running art classes in my home. I have a few art classes and students would come to my house and we would create together. However, due to some COVID-19 restrictions and quarantines, I'm no longer able to do that. It's not really safe for me to be bringing students into my home. So I decided to create this YouTube channel with art instructional videos so that more kids can experience the joy of art, even when we're trapped inside, even when we can't get out. I'm hoping that these will give kids something extra to do, a new way to explore their creativity, and have more meaningful things to do outside of their normal school learning hours.
Interplanetary.
I hope you enjoyed the art classes. I put a lot of time into creating them for you. If you enjoy what you see here, go ahead and like the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll continue pumping out great content for you and your family. I look forward to seeing you in art class. Thanks again for joining me.
His first layer of orange. He's getting his colorful debut. Looking good, guys.